Hello everyone! Today we are going to make some cupcakes. Are you ready? First we put 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar and a half teaspoon of baking powder. Let's mix. Then add 2 and a bit tablespoons of milk. Break an egg into a different bowl and take out the back part. Then pour the eggs into the first bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of canola oil and a bit of vanilla extract or vanilla sugar. Mix again. You can add some food coloring to the cupcakes. Yummy! Put the mixture into a silicone mold. Choose your colors and put, but just a bit. Last mix. Put the cupcakes in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. Wow, it just looks so tasty. Look at these vanilla cupcakes. You can put some chocolate inside. Yummy. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and it was tasty. See you in my next video. Bye bye.